students, today we'll continue with average profit method, but when there are past adjustments to be made. Till now we have done sums on average profit method where there were no adjustments, but we will do now sums where we have adjustments. So question number 7, you can see here the profits of last 3 years are given: 2016, 17, 17, 18 and 18, 19. Here 16, 17 rupees 1 lakh, including an abnormal gain of rupees 12,500. So in 17, 18 rupees 1 lakh 25,000 after charging an abnormal loss of rupees 25,000, and rupees year 2018, 19 rupees 1 lakh 12,500, excluding rupees 12,500 and insurance premium on firm's property now to be insured. Calculate the firm's goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit of the last 3 years. So first of all, we'll need to make these adjustments, then we'll find the average profit, and then we'll multiply it with the number of years purchased to get the value of goodwill. So I think you have seen the question here quite correctly. Now let us come to the solution. 2016, 17 rupees 1 lakh, 17, 18 1 lakh 25,000, 18, 19 1 lakh 12,500. So first case was where there was including an abnormal gain. So always remember, we'll only include the normal items. Whenever there is some abnormal item, we have to exclude it. All the abnormal items must be excluded. Abnormal means which is not regular, which is not recurring in the business. For example, my business is to have trading of something, for example rice. If I have a business of trading rice, purchasing and selling rice, in that case, if I purchase something else where I earn a profit, then this is non-trading profit or non-recurring profit or abnormal profit for us. This abnormal profit must be excluded. For example, if I have received interest on some investment of rupees 50,000, that is not the profit of my business. So while valuation of goodwill, I will not include that profit. Suppose I have suffered a loss by fire of rupees 1 lakh. Now that loss by fire is not my business loss, it is abnormal loss. So such abnormal loss must be excluded. So this abnormal loss and abnormal gain must be excluded. When there is abnormal gain, means your profit have increased, so you have to decrease the profit. We need only the normal actual profits, not the abnormal profits. So whenever you have included any abnormal profit, you will subtract it. Similarly, vice versa, whenever you have any abnormal loss, the loss which is not normal in nature, that loss will be added back. So abnormal profit should be subtracted, abnormal loss should be added back. So here in the first year we have including an abnormal gain of rupees 12,500. Since it is an abnormal gain, I have subtracted here rupees 12,500 from first year. In the next year, after charging abnormal loss of 25,000, it was an abnormal loss of 25,000. So such abnormal loss must be added back. So I have added back the abnormal loss of 25,000. And in the last year we have excluding 12,500 as insurance premium. Insurance premium is also an expense. Since the premium is to be paid on the firm's property, so insurance premium is also an expense of the business. So such expense must be subtracted, but it was not subtracted, so we have subtracted it now. It is a normal expense. While conducting business, if you want to insure your goods, you have to insure your property of the firm, then in that case this is firm's expense and it must be recorded. However, if it would have been the life insurance of the owner, then it would have been considered as a drawings and not the expense of business, but it is the insurance of the business property, so it must be subtracted. So I have subtracted rupees 12,500 here. Net you will get the amount here, rupees 1 lakh minus 12,500 will give you 87,500. 1 lakh 25,000 plus 25,000 is 1 lakh 50,000. 1 lakh 12,500 minus 12,500 is rupees 1 lakh. Now the average profit of last 3 years is 87,500 plus 1 lakh 50,000 plus rupees 1 lakh divided by 3, because there are 3 years. Total is rupees 3 lakh 37,500 divided by 3. You will get 1 lakh 12,500 as the average profit. So when the average profit is 1 lakh 12,500, value of goodwill becomes average profit into number of years purchase, that is rupees 1 lakh 12,500 into number of years purchase is 2, that is given here. Calculate firm's goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase. So